October 5th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Drag the red X on the vocabulary puzzle piece that doesn't belong. So, we have LCM, multiple, least common multiple, and exponent. So least common multiple, I know that that's the least or the smallest of common multiples. So multiples ties in with that. So these two belong together. But there's another one that belongs with them. Exponent, not quite. That's not the same as least common multiple. Those are two different things. LCM is the abbreviation for least common multiple. So these three actually add up. They puzzle piece together. But this exponent is not part of it. So we'll drag that X over the exponent, and that's for our vocabulary.